Hi, I'm in St. Petersburg, Florida at a little park here, and I just wanted to show you a little population of ibises that I found. Okay, take a look. First of all, here's the park. Just very cute. There are some ibises, a nice fountain on this pond, and a whole bunch of others over there. Now, since these are very close to the bench I'm on, I just wanted you to get a chance to check out some of their behaviors, get a close-up look at their physiology, their structures, and enjoy. All right, take a look. These guys are preening, digging around for some food, both here in the water and on the ground. This guy in the back is enjoying standing on one foot. These are water birds. You're going to find an ibis always near the water. Their long spindly legs are great adaptations for wading in the water and for a water lifestyle. So we'll just take a little while to watch them. I hope you enjoyed some time with the ibis.